My from KG or stage to introduce themselves. I invite Hridika from pre-KG on stage. Thank you. Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Hridika. My father's name is Abhilash. My mother's name is Karisma. I am studying pre-KG. I am 3 years old. One well in your Betty school. Thank you. I invite Arik from pre-KG on stage. Thank you. My name is Anvik. My father's name is Anukumar. My mother's name is Basti. I am studying pre-K. School name is School. Thank you. I invite Anjimitra from LKG on stage. Thank you. Hi, good evening all. My name is Anjimitra. I am studying LKG. I am 4 years old. Name of my school is Avis. My father's name is Agil. My mother's name is Arsha. I live in Pulikona. My best friend is Dia. My favorite color is orange. My favorite food is orange. Thank you. I invite Nandita from LKG on stage. Thank you. My name is Nandita. Hi, good evening. My name is Nandita. I am studying in LKG. I am 4 years old. Name of my school is Ovis. My father's name is Shiju. Mother's name is Diva. I live in Mudianga. Name of my school is Service. My best friend is Dia. My father's name is Shiju. My mother's name is Diva. My favorite fruit is mango. Thank you. I invite Yudhira from LKG hostel.